Alright, quick bike check. You're looking at a 09 Fit Chase Hawk V2 in the raw 21-inch top tube, 13.5 chainstay rear end. It's a nice bike, nice frame. I got it at a good price. When he went over to Colt and they discontinued them, I was lucky to get it. So yeah, anyway, handlebars, S&M XLTs, Grand Slams. They're 8.25 height, and the width has been cut to a 28 from a 29. I cut a ½ inch off each end there for a little more comfort. S&M Team grips and bar ends. Stem, S&M LiL Redneck. Headset, Odyssey. By the way, that stem is slammed. I cut the steer forks of the steer tube with the forks and slammed the shit out of that stem. Compact. Real smooth. Speaking of forks, Odyssey Classic Dirt. Odyssey M7 front rim. And it actually came with a G-Sport hub, which is the hub I wanted, so I went with it. G-Sport, good shit, real smooth, good bearings. What is that, a Odyssey Aiken Plyte front tire. That's such a pretty stem. I love the LiL Redneck. Let's see, cranks, profile, 175mm. Animal pedals, plastics, Hamiltons. Animal sprocket, 25 tooth. Shadow V2 chain. C-post animal. Seat, Odyssey. It's a nice seat. I forget what the hell they call it, but it's padded. And it's comfy when I want to lean back and sit on it. Let's see. Hazard light rear rim. Odyssey V3 cassette. Odyssey rear tire. Yeah, that's about it, right? Smooth bike. It's a good cassette too. It's been lasting a long time. Do a lot of dirt riding. I just cleaned it up. Cleans up nice. Keeps on ticking. And this over here, my daughter's coral reef. We'll do a bike check on that later. Alright, thanks for watching.